Welcome to our health segment. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful dietary change that could transform your health for the better, replacing butter with olive oil to help manage high blood pressure. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How can such a small switch make a big difference? Well, let's unpack this together. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. According to the World Health Organization, it's actually the leading cause of cardiovascular diseases like stroke and heart attack. But here's the silver lining. With just a few smart dietary adjustments, you can take control of your blood pressure and improve your overall health. First, let's talk about olive oil. This golden liquid isn't just a staple in Mediterranean diets. It's packed with health benefits that can help you manage your blood pressure effectively. One of the standout features of olive oil is that it's rich in monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats are essential for our bodies. They work to reduce bad cholesterol, known as LDL, while boosting the good cholesterol, or HDL. This balance is crucial for lowering your risk of high blood pressure. And there's scientific evidence to back this up. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular consumption of olive oil can lower systolic blood pressure by an average of 5 to 8 mmHg. That's a significant drop that can make a real difference in your health. So, how can you incorporate this into your daily routine? It's simple. Start by using just 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil daily. You can saute your favorite vegetables with it or whip up a delicious salad dressing. Imagine drizzling a mix of olive oil and fresh herbs over your bread instead of slathering on butter. Not only is it heart healthy, but it also adds a burst of flavor to your meals. But that's not all. Olive oil is also loaded with antioxidant polyphenols. These powerful compounds protect our blood vessels, improve circulation, and help reduce inflammation. A study published in the British Medical Journal revealed that people who regularly consume extra virgin olive oil have a 30% lower risk of cardiovascular complications compared to those who don't. That's a compelling reason to make the switch. When you're choosing olive oil, go for extra virgin, especially for raw dishes like salads. This ensures you're getting all the polyphenols intact. Pair it with leafy greens like spinach or lettuce, and you've got a nutrient powerhouse on your plate. Now, let's take a moment to discuss butter. While it may add a rich flavor to our dishes, it's high in saturated fats, which can lead to arterial plaque buildup and increased blood pressure. The American Heart Association recommends that we limit our saturated fat intake to protect our cardiovascular health. So instead of butter, consider substituting it with olive oil or other plant-based oils like almond oil. It's a small change, but it can have a big impact on your heart health. Now that we've covered the benefits of olive oil, let's talk about some practical applications. It's all well and good to know what to do, but how do we actually incorporate olive oil into our daily meals? Start by replacing regular cooking oil with olive oil when sautéing your vegetables. It's a simple swap that elevates the nutritional value of your meals. You can also add a tablespoon of olive oil to soups or broths after cooking. Not only does it enhance the flavor, but it also boosts the nutrient content. And if you're tired of store-bought salad dressings that are often loaded with salt and preservatives, why not make your own? It's easy. Just mix olive oil with fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, a pinch of salt, and pepper. You'll have a delicious dressing that's not only healthier but also customizable to your taste. When cooking with olive oil, keep in mind that it loses some of its nutrients at high temperatures, so it's best to use it for low to medium heat cooking. This way, you can retain all those amazing health benefits while still enjoying your meals. While we're on the topic of a heart-healthy diet, let's not forget the importance of complementing olive oil with other nutritious foods. Incorporate potassium-rich foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens into your meals. These foods can help counteract the effects of sodium and contribute to better blood pressure control. It's also essential to limit salt, fried foods, and processed products. By making these adjustments, you're not just managing your blood pressure, you're setting yourself up for a healthier lifestyle overall. Now, as you embark on this journey of dietary change, it's crucial to monitor your progress. Consider using a home blood pressure monitor to track your readings weekly. This will give you valuable insights into how your body is responding to the changes you're making. Keep a record of your readings before and after adopting these dietary changes for at least 4 weeks. You might be surprised by the improvements you see. In conclusion, replacing butter with olive oil isn't just a small tweak in your cooking. It's a powerful step towards controlling high blood pressure and enhancing your overall heart health. This simple change can lead to significant improvements in your well-being. So why wait? Start today, embrace the goodness of olive oil, and enjoy a healthier, happier life. Remember, every little step counts. Your heart deserves the best, and making this change is one of the kindest things you can do for it. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to your health.